Mariah.
Guys, it's me, Maria, and today I will be making orange tiger slime. So let's get to the video. Right here I have a bowl, have my container right here, and I have all my ingredients that I'll need in here. So I'm gonna pour my glue in here, and it's not gonna be that big, just gonna be like small, cute orange tiger slime. I'm gonna see if this tiger can fit in it though, because if it doesn't, that'd be kind of bad. So, yeah. There we go. Okay, that is enough. Now we're gonna put that on. Okay, now we're gonna make the color. So I'll be adding yellow and red because that makes orange. So yeah, just add it. Okay, you guys can see that it's red. So yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna add like 2 drops. Okay, so I think I might want to stir first, just to like, get it. Okay, so the red already like kind of looks like pink, but the yellow is gonna make it very good. So yeah, the yellow is gonna make it orange, and it's gonna give us the color we want. Put that so you guys can see. Put that right there. Can you guys see that? Yes, you can. Okay, so mix, 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 mix. Okay, now we're gonna add the yellow. We're gonna put like, I don't know, maybe 2 drops again. Maybe even 4. I want it to be orange. Okay, so let's see. I made it way too yellow, so that's good. Just kidding, that's really bad. Oh no, now it's turning orange. Can you guys see that? It's like Nickelodeon slime orange, and that's really good. So we got the orange, which is really good. And sorry if you hear my dog's collar jingle. He just likes to jump onto the couches. So yeah, so there's this. So I might add glitter to it. So let me add that. So I added some glitter. Now I don't know if I should stir it. I might stir it. It's not going to be that much glitter. I didn't add too much glitter, so yeah. So that's okay. And now I'm just going to add scent so it won't smell all gooey and stuff like slime. So add 3 of these. Okay, now mix. Smells good. Smells kind of like an orange. Smells like an orange, so that's good, because it is an orange tiger slime. So we're gonna add this. Gonna add that in it. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. Ooh, it's gooey. Alright, and now I'm gonna add the activator. This might seem like water, but it's actually activator. Just water and borax. So I'm gonna add the activator. I'm gonna pour in little by little. So I'm just gonna mix that. And if it becomes really like, oh my gosh, I think I overactivated it, guys. It's okay though. I will just put some lotion in it and I'll get it away. Oh God, I added too much, but that's okay. That's okay, we can fix it. Okay. Now just gonna mix it some more. So I'll meet you guys when I'm done with it. So now I'm back, and it's kind of It's still pretty good. It's still well and it's still pretty stretchy, but to make it more stretchier, I'm gonna add some hotel lotion because I don't want to use my real lotion. That'd just be a waste of lotion, am I right? So, yeah, just gonna add some lotion. I'll put that so you guys can see. Okay, so we're gonna open up the lotion bottle. And, okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay, there. Now I'm just gonna mix it in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm just mixing it in. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Okay. Okay, so now I basically have the slime. Oh gosh, that was too much, but that's okay. Because we're going to be adding a tiger and we need it to stay in. The tiger might be a bit big for it, but that's okay. It's totally fine. Okay. So, you guys can see that. Now it's all done. It's kind of good pokes with the poker. Definitely. It's stretchy. And now, just time to add the tiger. Oh, look, that's so cute. And then just wrap the tiger in. And yeah, there we go. I have my tiger slime. And the tiger's just in it. He's gonna sink in it. I'm gonna take it out for now. Take the little guy out. And we're just gonna play with the slime. And okay, so you can't really see the glitter. Can't really see the glitter. But you can kind of see it if you look very closely right there. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what slime I should make next. So, see you guys later. Bye.